Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Friends, if you are planning to buy a power bank for your phone and searching for the best brand, then this video is for you. In this video, I have shared the list of top 5 best power bank brands in India. All these brands are available online. Please check description for latest price and discount. If you are new to our channel, then please like the video and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe.